Linking your bank account to Apple TV Plus allows for easy subscription payments and access to content. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Navigate to the Settings app on your Apple TV. This is where you can manage your accounts and subscriptions. Step 2. Select Users and Accounts. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Users and Accounts. This section allows you to manage your Apple ID and payment methods. Step 3. Choose your account. Select your Apple ID from the list of accounts. This will take you to the account settings where you can update your payment information. Step 4. Update payment information. Look for the payment information section. Here, you can add or update your bank account details. Enter the required information, including your bank account number and routing number. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your bank account information, make sure to save the changes. You may need to confirm your identity with your Apple ID password or another verification method. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Apple TV Plus subscription, making it easier to manage your payments. Enjoy your streaming experience.